Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the absolute best ETF to buy in 2024 if you want to get rich and if you want to become a millionaire. But at the end of this video, you guys are going to know the math, how much you're going to need to invest in it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy this video. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. Also, if you guys want to check out my brand new swing trading course where we talk about how I swing trade and how I find opportunity in the market, I'll put it down below, guys. Check it out. But let's dive into the best ETF for 2024. Now, this is by far one of the most common questions I get asked on this channel is, Carter, I want to invest, but where should I invest right now? I honestly think the best investment you can make in 2024 if you're gonna choose an ETF is gonna be VOO, ticker symbol VOO. Now, give me a minute. Before you guys leave this video, let me explain why. So this is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Now, what it is it tracks the top 500 companies in the United States. The reason why this is so incredibly important is because this is a way where beginners can invest, sit back, relax, and get easy profits. On top of that, you're investing into some of the most iconic companies in America, like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Coca-Cola, all these American icons, you're investing into them. And the great thing about this is you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. But honestly, the reason why I absolutely love investing into VOO and why I would recommend everybody to invest in VOO is because it has an average return rate of about 10%, meaning through all the bull markets, through all the bear markets, the Great Depression, the dot-com bubble, the 2008 crash, you get an average return rate of about 10%. Meaning if you just invest for the long run and you just invest consistently, guys, you're gonna be making money hand over fist. Now, the great thing about this type of investment is if you're young, you're gonna be an absolute baller by the time you retire. And the reason why is if you're 25 years old and you invest $100 a month for 45 years, guys, you're gonna become a millionaire because that is a little over $1.1 million. Now, the great thing about this though, and why I would recommend, and I cannot stress enough that everybody invest. Everybody, as young as you are, just start investing. I don't care if you're 18 years old, and I also don't care if you're 50 years old. I want to see you guys invest into this. Now, the great thing about investing young is because if you were to wait 10 years, now instead of investing at 25, but you're investing at 35, that drops from 1.1 million all the way down to about $300,000, which is still a great return off a $100 a month investment, but it's not as good as 1.1 million. But honestly, one of the most crazy stats that I've heard with investing into the S&P 500 is hedge funds. About 87% of hedge funds can't even beat the S&P 500, meaning these are the pros, these are the full-time people that actively try to beat it, actively look for stocks and opportunity. 87% of hedge fund managers cannot beat the S&P 500. So it's better to just invest into the S&P than invest with hedge funds. That's the way I've always looked at it. Yes, you can try to time the market and you can try to buy low, sell high, all that stuff. I get it. That's what I do every single day and I've been doing it full time. Check out my course. But honestly, if you want to invest for retirement, I'm telling you, it's better to have time in the market than trying to time the market. You need to use compound interest to your advantage, meaning all the money you guys invest today will pay dividends, and then those dividends will pay dividends, and then those dividends will pay dividends. Compound interest is by far one of the most important things that every investor needs to understand. And one of the big ways to get a huge advantage with compound interest is making sure you guys have a broker that offers DRIP. DRIP is dividend reinvesting. This is so important because all the dividends you get, you want to reinvest them back into the business or the ETFs to grow them larger. Look at this chart. You guys can clearly see the difference between reinvesting your dividends and not reinvesting your dividends. And some of the brokers that offer this is going to be like Robinhood, M1 Finance, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity. Most brokers do it. which is nice. But overall, guys, investing, people love to overcomplicate it when in general, it's just better to just sit back, relax, and just invest into one thing and let that grow. A lot of people love to try to buy low, sell high, all that stuff, but there's a huge difference between investing the market and trading. Trading is more short-term gains. That's what I do, like I said, full-time for about 6 years now, where investing is you just invest and you forget about it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video on the best ETF that I am buying as much as I can in 2024. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.